Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of Bollywood beauty, Disha Patni, and her stunning photoshoot choices. Disha has always been known for her impeccable style and grace, and her photoshoots never fail to leave us in awe. From chic and casual to elegant and glamorous, she effortlessly slays every look she tries. The actress embraces the vibrant energy of city life, showcasing her versatile style in edgy streetwear ensembles. Amidst the bustling streets and graffiti-adorned walls, she effortlessly blends sophistication with a hint of urban cool, turning heads with every stride. Transporting viewer to a bygone era, the beauty channels old Hollywood glamour in a nostalgic photoshoot reminiscent of the golden age of cinema. With classic hairstyles, timeless fashion pieces, and vintage-inspired props, she embodies timeless elegance and grace. Displaying her athleticism and grace, Disha stuns in a dynamic photoshoot that celebrates strength and femininity. Whether engaging in yoga poses against serene natural backdrops or showcasing her agility in sleek sportswear, she exudes confidence and poise. Embarking on a journey into the realm of imagination, the actress mesmerizes in a futuristic-themed photoshoot set against surreal landscapes and avant-garde architecture. Adorned in sleek metallics and innovative couture, she embodies the essence of otherworldly beauty and sophistication. Embracing the serenity of the great outdoors, the beauty enchants in a nature-inspired photoshoot set amidst lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and picturesque landscapes. With flowy dresses, floral accents, and an air of tranquility, she exudes natural beauty and harmony. The actress unleashes her inner rock star in a high-energy, retro-inspired photoshoot that pays homage to the rebellious spirit of the 80s. Donning leather jackets, bold makeup, and voluminous hair, she commands the spotlight with her electrifying presence and infectious confidence. The essence of a modern-day princess in a fairy tale-inspired photoshoot. Adorned in exquisite couture gowns amidst dreamy castle-like settings, she radiates elegance, grace, and a touch of magic. The actress embraces creativity and artistic freedom in a visually stunning photoshoot that blurs the lines between fashion and art. With avant-garde makeup, bold styling choices, and dramatic poses, she becomes a muse for innovative photographers, pushing boundaries and sparking imagination. Disha embodies an aura of mystique amidst the vast expanse of a desert landscape. Dressed in flowing fabrics that billow in the desert winds, she exudes an enigmatic charm against the backdrop of shifting sands and ancient ruins. With the sun casting golden hues over the horizon, the photoshoot captures the essence of ethereal beauty and timeless allure. Embracing the avant-garde world of high fashion, the beauty unleashes her inner fashion icon in a bold and daring photoshoot. From avant-garde couture pieces to boundary-pushing accessories, each frame is a masterpiece of creativity and innovation. Against unconventional backdrops and surreal settings, she challenges conventional norms and leaves a lasting impression with her fearless style. Transporting viewer to a whimsical realm of bohemian romance, the actress enchants in a photoshoot that celebrates free-spirited elegance. Adorned in flowy bohemian dresses, adorned with floral crowns and delicate accessories, she embodies the carefree allure of a modern-day nymph. Against dreamy, sun-kissed landscapes and rustic settings, the photoshoot captures the essence of love, freedom, and wanderlust. The actress steps into the regal world of royalty, donning opulent couture gowns and sparkling jewels fit for a queen. Set against the backdrop of grand palaces and ornate ballrooms, she exudes sophistication and grace, channeling the timeless allure of royalty. With each frame capturing the splendor of a bygone era, the photoshoot transports viewer to a world of majestic grandeur and timeless elegance. Embracing the cutting-edge world of sci-fi cyberpunk, the actress dazzles in a futuristic photoshoot set in a neon-lit metropolis of the future. Clad in sleek, metallic ensembles and augmented reality accessories, she embodies the cybernetic aesthetics of a dystopian future. Against the backdrop of towering skyscrapers and bustling cityscapes, the photoshoot explores themes of technology, identity, and the human experience in a rapidly evolving world. The actress embarks on a whimsical journey through a fantastical wonderland, where imagination knows no bounds. Dressed in enchanting costumes inspired by storybook characters and fairy tales, she explores magical landscapes filled with wonder and awe. From enchanted forests to mystical gardens, each frame captures the whimsy and charm of a world where dreams come to life. Surrendering to the raw beauty of nature, the actress immerses herself in a surreal photoshoot that blurs the lines between reality and fantasy. Amidst towering mountains, serene lakes, and lush forests, she becomes one with her surroundings, embodying the untamed spirit of the wilderness. With each frame capturing the awe-inspiring majesty of the natural world, the photoshoot serves as a reminder of the Earth's boundless beauty and power. Disha embraces the intrigue and allure of film noir in a cinematic photoshoot that pays homage to classic detective thrillers. Clad in sultry ensembles and smoky makeup, she becomes the femme fatale at the center of a gripping mystery. Embarking on a global cultural odyssey, Disha celebrates the rich diversity of the world's cultures in a vibrant and eclectic photoshoot. From the vibrant streets of India to the bustling markets of Marrakesh, she immerses herself in the sights, sounds, and colors of different cultures, embracing traditional attire and customs with respect and admiration. The photoshoot serves as a visual tapestry of the world's cultural heritage, celebrating unity in diversity in the universal language of beauty. The actress dives into a fantastical underwater world, portraying the enchanting beauty of a mermaid in a whimsical photoshoot beneath the waves. Adorned in shimmering scales, flowing sea-inspired fabrics, and iridescent accessories, she captivates as she gracefully moves through the depths. Against the backdrop of coral reefs, sun-dappled waters, and mystical underwater caves, the photoshoot evokes a sense of wonder and magic, transporting viewer to a realm where dreams and reality intertwine. Embracing the allure of mystery and intrigue, Disha embodies the role of a modern-day femme fatale in a sultry and seductive photoshoot. Clad in figure-hugging silhouettes, lacy lingerie, and statement accessories, she exudes confidence and sensuality as she navigates through shadowy alleys and dimly lit interiors. With smoldering looks and enigmatic poses, she leaves a trail of fascination and desire in her wake, embodying the timeless appeal of the femme fatale archetype. Disha wanders through a mystical enchanted forest in a photoshoot that celebrates the wonder and enchantment of nature. Draped in ethereal gowns adorned with delicate floral embellishments, she becomes a fairy tale nymph amidst towering trees, shimmering waterfalls, and dappled sunlight. With each frame capturing the whimsical beauty of the forest, the photoshoot transports viewer to a world where magic is real and dreams take flight. The actress dazzles in a celestial-themed photoshoot set amidst a glittering night sky filled with stars and constellations. Adorned in celestial-inspired couture and sparkling jewelry, she radiates ethereal beauty as she dances under the moonlight and reaches for the stars. The backdrop of celestial bodies and cosmic wonders, the photoshoot evokes a sense of awe and wonder, inviting viewer to join her on a journey through the cosmos. With a nod to the golden age of Hollywood, the photoshoot captures the timeless allure of retro glamour and leisure. Disha becomes the star of the show in a vibrant and colorful photoshoot set amidst the excitement and energy of a couture carnival extravaganza. Dressed in elaborate costumes, adorned with feathers, sequins, and beads, she dazzles as she dances through the carnival streets, surrounded by performers, musicians, and revelers. Against a backdrop of colorful tents, dazzling lights, and swirling confetti, the photoshoot captures the joy and exuberance of a carnival celebration, where every moment is filled with magic and wonder. And there you have it, folks. Disha Patni's photoshoot choices never fail to impress us, whether she's keeping it casual or going all-out glamorous. Which of her looks do you prefer the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.